OpenAI's image generator just took over the game. OpenAI has released a major upgrade to its image generator with GPT 4.0, and it's honestly a game changer. This isn't just about making pretty pictures anymore. It's like turning your imagination into art with just a few words. But the biggest upgrade, it finally gets text and images right. That used to be one thing that AI always messed up. You'd ask for a poster that says Happy Pizza Day and get something like Happy Pizza Day. Now it's clean, accurate, and exactly what you asked for. Let's say you type in something like a vintage bookstore in Paris with a glowing sign that says Livres Magicus. You'll get exactly that, with the words spelled perfectly, styled beautifully. Or you want a picture that is filled with glowing billboards, holographic signs, and complex futuristic text in various languages. You can see the response, no weird letters, no nonsense. The words don't just appear, they fit in the image like they belong. Now let's try one more. Just make sure you provide the correct details that you want to include in the picture. And here it is. Everything looks better, the new model is sharper, more stylish, and way faster. Whether you want something cute, epic, dark, or surreal, it nails the mood. Yes, it now types exactly what you asked for in the image, no more guessing what it means to write. So basically, OpenAI's new image generator did not just improve, it basically took over the game. You type it, it creates it, and finally, it gets the words right too.